Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by creating the two HTML files in one project folder. Name them logically, for example, index. HTML and about, HTML. Once done, open that folder in Visual Studio Code so the Explorer shows both files. This avoids path mistakes. Now add the anchor tag and index. HTML with href pointing to about. HTML, that creates the link. Make sure to save. I explain why. Consistent file names and opening the folder in VS Code prevent broken relative paths. You now edit the HTML to implement the link inside the body of index. HTML, place an anchor tag such as href equals about. HTML about /a, which tells the browser where to navigate. If files are nested in folders, use relative paths like /pages/about, HTML or /about, HTML so the link resolves correctly. Once added, save and use the live server or open index. HTML in the browser to test. I also show why target equals blank opens a new tab when you want that. You finish by testing the link. Launch live server in VS Code or open index. HTML in your browser, then click the link to confirm navigation to about. HTML. If it fails, make sure the href path matches the file location exactly. Remember that some systems are case sensitive, so about HTML differs from about HTML. Once done, clear the browser cache and check DevTools console and network for 404. That tells you whether the path or file name is wrong and guides the quick fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.